Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by isolating the fault, unplug the keyboard, and inspect the cable and connector for visible damage, then reconnect to a known working port. Once done, use a key tester or on-screen keyboard to reproduce the issue and identify specific keys or zones affected. Make sure to remove loose debris with compressed air before opening. If wireless, check battery contacts and pairing status. This targeted first step saves time and prevents unnecessary disassembly while establishing a clear failure. Now proceed to controlled disassembly. Remove keycaps and take a photo of the layout so you can restore keys correctly. Next, open the case carefully, keeping screws sorted and noting any hidden clips. Visually inspect the PCB for lifted traces, corrosion, or cracked solder joints on switch pads and connector ribbons. Use a multimeter to check continuity across suspect switches. For hot swappable boards, pull and test switches directly. If soldered, reflow joints. If switches fail, replace them to restore reliable contact. Finish by reassembling in reverse order. Seat the PCB and plate, reconnect any ribbon cables straight and secure screws evenly to avoid board flex. Once assembled, reconnect to the host and perform a full key scan, run a firmware reset, and apply any firmware updates to rule out software causes. Make sure to test every key and modifier combination. If problems remain, one key troubleshooting tip. Clean switch contacts and PCB pads with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and retest. Persistent electrical faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.